Our team ID is IO1132 and there is a smart backpack. The features of smart backpack are as follows. For example, the most two features are that when we oftenly we travel our stuff got stolen by some theft or some way we sometimes forget also the stuff. So for example, we have a mechanism in which the when the phone gets out of the certain range of the backpack, the phone starts to buzzer. And if the alarm is not stopped, then the phone will send messages. For example, GPS messages, your current location, your phone's current location to the backup number. And when someone tries to unlock your phone, it also cleans the photos, and these photos will be saved offline only. And you can also log in your email ID in the app so that it can be more secure. And in the backpack, we have a trigger mechanism in some cases, what happens is when we are traveling, someone tries to open our bag without our permission and try to steal our stuff. Some theft can happen this with us. We have a trigger mechanism in which when someone tries to open your chain, you will get a notification on your phone, and then you can just check your bag, so it's more secure. Hello friends, in this part we will introduce you to our application, and the application is named as Theft Alert. First we have to give it some permissions and set it all. For example, here you have to give it permission to send and view SMSs, and to check your device location, and after that to take pictures and record videos, and also to save that the stuff which has recorded. Okay, so we have set up it all. Okay, and then the major thing is that you have to provide it administrative permission, so that no one can uninstall the app without the administrator permission. Okay. After that, this we will set up some passwords and also a backup number so that the GPS location is sent to the backup number when phone gets disconnected. Okay, now we have to the UNO is already connected. As we can see, UNO is already connected, and now we have to just enable the service. Okay, now the service is enabled. As we can see, it's at minus 37 decibel. The distance it show is wrong. Currently we are working on it so that the distance can be corrected. And as here we have a trigger mechanism, so that the when we open the bag, when the thief open the bag, we can know that the bag has been opened. So as soon as the bag is opened, the trigger mechanism is on, and we will get a notification saying someone just tried to open your bag, so that we can check our bag and it gets more secure, that no one can steal your stuff and all that. Okay, so now service can be disabled. And okay friends, now I will introduce you to the major feature, which is that when your phone gets out of the range of the bag at around minus 50 decibel, and it will buzz, so that you can know that your phone has been stolen. So the currently the UNO is the phone has been connected to the UNO. Now I will enable the service. Okay, as the service is enabled, now I will set a backup password, sorry, a backup number. Okay, it has been already mentioned. And now I will set a password, so that when we have to stop the alert, we can stop the alert using this password. Okay. Okay, now it's showing minus 31 decibel. As we move far from it, at around minus 50 decibel, it will get disconnected. So I am now around 2 meters away from it. So bag is over here, and this is showing minus 48 decibel, minus 49, and around minus 50, means more than minus 50, it gets start buzzing. Okay, as we can see that it has start buzzing. Now we have to unlock the phone if it has been happened by mistakenly. Now stop the alert using the password which we have set. Okay, the alert has been stopped. Now we will close the app, and the GPS location has already been sent to the another number which is the backup number which we have set already. Okay, now we will show you the backup the messages. As we can see that 2 message has been received. Okay, see, we can see that Pranav Raut 2 messages has been sent, and we will provide you some screenshots of this so that you can get to know that actually the message has been sent. Okay, so in this part, this much. Thank you. In this part, I will introduce you to the hardware about the hardware. Okay, so in the hardware part, we have an Uno microcontroller, which is basically an Atmega 328, and here we have the trigger mechanism. When these 2 pins get connected, it's on. Means basically there is no problem, but when these 2 get disconnected, the alert gets on. And inside currently we are providing the power using an power bank, but we plan to have a 9-volt battery, small 9-volt battery, to power the Uno and the Wi-Fi module. The Wi-Fi module is ESP8266 and ESP01, and the Uno, the Arduino Uno, which has a microcontroller Atmega 328, and here we have the trigger mechanism so that it gets alert. And see, this is the Wi-Fi module, and currently this is the prototype, that's why we are using breadboard and the condition is like that. So please try to understand us. As we moving further, the messages which was sent in the last part, we can see that your phone current location sent by Pranav Raut, which was your phone's current location is, as you can see. That's it. Thank you.
Hey friends, I developed the application.
Hey friends, my name is Kunal Pawar, and I developed the hardware part, and overall our project has been still in prototype phase, and some features are not working properly, but it's working, and try to understand us also. And we are from Mumbai and first year engineering, and the major part of the project was about the software part, which has been developed by Pranav. So thanks Pranav, and thank you for all of you for watching this video.